What's up, guys? We back with another video. Today we got a guy from Lubbock, all the way from Lubbock, Texas, bringing trailering his truck down. We're gonna be doing a panoramic install on this extended cab Chevy. This thing's badass. Let's check it out. Alright guys, this is where we're at now. Roof has been cut off. Check it out. Sick. I'm gonna put the bracket in, clamp it in place, center everything up, and then I'll start tack welding it. Alright guys, here's a little overview. Body worked. I'm gonna block it off, final block off, we'll prime it. And then we'll get the panoramic installed. And then start on the inside. Alright guys, the install's been complete on the panoramic sunroof on this extended cab Silverado. This truck's badass. Came out clean. Let's check it out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the Silverado extended cab. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.